In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play two animations at the same time in Unity. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the process of setting up two animations simultaneously using the animator. So, usually whenever you're trying to animate something, you might notice that you are able to do it easily if you only have one animation in a layer. However, if you try to add two animations simultaneously, only one of them will play or they will not play at the exact same time. So for you to set this up, you will have to change the layers. So go to the animator window and take a look at the layers that you have. You will be able to find them here alongside their icons at the right side in this little visualizer that you have. What you have to do is create a new layer, and on this new layer, the weight must be set to 1. So go ahead, create a new layer, and you will be able to set the weight of it to 1. Inside of this new layer, you have to set the animation states. So grab the animations and you will be able to assign them. Once you grab the animations that you want to play simultaneously and you assign them to this layer with the weight 1, you will be able to play them at the same time. So you can play both animations simultaneously. Just make sure that you select all of them that you want to use, and you will be able to assign them together in this new layer that you have created. So make sure that you create a new layer with the weight of 1, and you will be able to run two animations at the same time. This will work for anything you create and can all be done within the animator screen. As long as you assign them properly to the weight 1 new layer that you created, they will play simultaneously. So it's all down to the weight that you have set up. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two animations at the same time in Unity. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.